Students, myself Jiten Kumar Saxena. Today we are starting our next questions. Okay. Question number 6 is, look several examples of rational numbers in the form of P upon Q. Form of P upon Q. P upon Q. Where P and Q are integers with no common factor and other than 1 having terminate decimal. Terminate means which are completely divided by divisor. Okay, and remainder will be 0. Okay. So you have see here 2 by 5, 3 by 2, 7 by 2 and 7 by 8 is completely divisible these numbers. Suppose we are divide 5 divided by 2, so putting decimals, put 0, 5 4 ja 20. So remainder is equal to 0. So this is 2 by 5 is a completely divisible and decimal expressions. So these are some examples which is P in the form of P upon Q and which is divisible by denominator. Okay. Now question number 7. Write 3 numbers whose decimal expressions are non-terminating. Non-terminating means जो repeat ना हो, ठीक है, जो repeat ना हो, non-terminating और finish भी ना हो. So like some examples, for example 7.13, 7.14, 114, 1114, 4 times 14, dash. Okay. Dot means these numbers will be continue to infinite, till infinite. Okay. And example second, and pi is also a irrational numbers and non-terminating, because when we are dividing 22 from 7, so these numbers we get these numbers 3.1416 dash to continue. These numbers will not be end, and here we don't get any remainder. We have not get any remainder. So this is decimals expressions and non-terminating. Terminating means नंबरों का repeat होना. So in this case not any numbers are repeating in same position, because we are saying 14, 114, 114 and 4 times 14 and so on. Okay. So these are 3 examples of non-terminating numbers. Now question number 8. Find 3 different irrational number between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So this is simple. Firstly we are dividing 7 to 5 and 11 to 5. 7 to 5 and 11 to 5. So we get 7.714285, again 714,285 again. So these numbers will be continue dash same as digit, but some numbers are repeating. Now the answers will be 1.714285, again 714,185, again as a infinite. So these numbers of group are repeating. So we are using the bar of in these numbers. So answer 5 upon is equal to this and same as here. So answer we get 0.81 818181 dash dash dash. So we can write 0.81 and bar. Okay, so the last question, so difference of three different irrational numbers are 71 and between 81. So we can write any three numbers like this. Okay, now question number 9, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. So rational numbers which have completely square root. The square root of 23 is not possible, so this is irrational. 225 is the square of 15. We can write 15 as 15 upon 1 as a rational number. So 15 of root 225 is rational. Same as here, this is terminating, and we can write this 3796 upon 10,000. So this is also a rational numbers, है ना? Okay. Now question number 4. Here numbers are not clear. Dot 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 is given here. So it means these numbers will be continue, and same as here, these numbers is also continue. So both numbers will be irrationals. Okay. Now question number 10 is not present here. Now exercise 1.4. This is simple exercise. This is a visualization. Visualize. Visualize means magnify. Magnifications. Magnifications means, suppose we are taking two numbers. This is 1 and this is 2. So when we talking in these numbers between magnifying, so we are getting, this is 1.1, this is 1.2, 1.3, same as here. They are 10 digits. They are 10 numbers between 2 digits. So here we are presenting 3.675. Okay, so these numbers between 3 and 4, suppose this is 3.5 and given number is 3.67. So I think present here. Okay, let's, there are some steps to find the numbers. You read it. Firstly, given numbers lie between 3 and 4. Second, magnify intervals between 3 and 4 and divide into 10 parts. Next, 3.67, 3.765. So firstly we are taking two digits. So these numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, now we are again putting these numbers. Okay, yes, here, so firstly these numbers is 3.765. Okay, so here firstly draw a number line. This is number line 1 to 10, but we are taking only 3. These numbers between 3 and 4. So this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, now visualize between 3 and 4. So this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, and we are going to 3.7. So we are again, we divide between 3 to 4 in 10 part. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8 and 3.9, and this is 4. So we have to take 7.6. So it is 3.76 is present, 3.7 to 3.8. Okay, so now 3.6 is where? This is here, 3.6, and 3.7. Now again we are partition between in 10 parts. So now 3.76 is between 3.76 to 3.77. okay, 3.77. so we are taking 3.76 to 3.77 and here again divide in 10 parts. 3.61, 3.62, 3.67, 3.64, 3.65, 3.66, 3.67, 3.68, 3.69, 3.77. But we get 3.765. So this is here. 3.765 is present here. 3.765. okay, so this is our answer. This procedure is called magnifications. okay, now question number 2 is same but some difference is here. 4.26 and 26 is repeating number, so we can write this 2.6 again. okay, these are some points, some steps how to take. So this numbers is present 4 to 5. This number is present 4 to 5. Now draw a number line from 1 to 10. Again 4 to 5. Next 2, 4.2. So this is between 4.2 to 4.3. So now 4.2 and 4.3. Again we taking 6. So these numbers is 4.26 to 4.27. So here 4.26 and 4.27. okay, again 2, again 2. So here again divide 4, again we have to divide 4 10 parts between 4.26 and 4.27. so these are 4.261, 4.262, 4.623, 4.624, 4.265, 4.626. so these are our answer. This is our answer. okay, this clear. Now exercise 1.5. It is simple exercise. Clearly the following numbers are rational or irrational. I told you before. Here 2 minus root 5, this and this and this. So first question is 2 minus root 5 and 1 upon root 2 and 2 pi is irrational because they are not solved. And question number 2, 3 plus root 23 and minus root 23 is a rational number because root 23 and 23 plus minus remaining left, so we can write 3 upon 1. These are rational numbers. Here in question number 2, 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7, so root 7 will be cancelled, so remaining 2 upon 7, this is also rational number. okay, now question number 2 is simple. This is simplify the following. So here firstly question number 1, 3 multiply by 2 and 3 multiply by root 2, again 3 root 3 by, watch here, 3 plus root 3 multiply 2 plus root 2. okay, Firstly, we are multiplying these numbers 3 to 2 and again 3 to root 2 and root 3 to 2 and root 3 to 2. Yes, so we get this 3 into 2, 3 into root 2, root 3 into 2 and root 3 into root 2. So we get 3 into 2 is equal to 6, 3 root 2 is equal to 3 root 2, 2 root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 and root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3 is equal to root 3 into 2 is equal to root 6. Okay, so we get this answer. And same as second questions with using properties, and again question number third, root 5 plus root 2 a square. So here we are using property a plus b, square of a plus b is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here putting a is equal to root 5 and b is equal to root 2. Okay, this is your homework. Solve. And next question number 4 is again as identities. This is a plus b and a minus b. This is equal to a square minus b square. So square of root 5 minus square root of 2 square and 2 is cancelled, root and 2 is cancelled, left 5 minus 2, so answer is 3. Okay, next question number 3 is a simple questions. So read this question and solve. Now question number 4 represent root 9.3 on the number line. So firstly we are draw a line which is 9.3. Suppose this is a point. Again we are taking to exceed by 1. Okay, exceed by 1. Suppose this is a b, suppose this is b point, c point. Taking any point you can take. Let's represent a is represent here, distance between here 9.3. okay, and it's exceeded by 1 centimeter. So taking 1 centimeter distance from here, I am drawing this diagram again. Okay, I am drawing this diagram, so watch it. Yes, it is clear. This is this point. uh, this point is root minus 9.3, root of minus 9.3. Okay, now questions. Next question. Next question number 5. Rationalizations the denominator with its simple. Rationalize means multiply the denominator from both. Here root 7 is denominator, so multiply root 7 upon root 7. Answer is this. Same as here. Here denominator is equal to root 7 minus root 6. So multiply by both. But remember that if here when the rationalizations of this number, then sign will be changed. If given minus, so we are multiply by plus. If given plus, then we have to multiply by minus on numerator and from numerator and denominator both. Okay, here in question number 2 is minus, so we are multiply by root 7 plus and plus. Answer is this. Again 7 minus 1, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, so answer is root 7 plus root 6. Okay, same as question number 3 and question number 4. These questions, both questions is your homework. Okay, now exercise 1.6. this is very simple, you know. Now first question is so simple. 64, power of 64 is 1 by 2. So we can write 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 6 to the 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. So here 2 comes 6 times and 1 by 2. The rules of this position cancels. Here 3. So 2 की power 3 is equal to 8. So answer is equal to 8. Okay. Same as question number 2. 32 to the power 1 by 5. So we can write 32 is equal to 2 की into 2 to the power 5. In this case cancel 5 to 5, so the answer is 2. Okay, same as question number 3. 125, so 125 we can write 5 to the 5 the power of 3 to whole power 1 by 3. 3 cancels, then remaining 5 to the power 1, so this is equal to 5. Okay, now question number 2, same as questions. Here in the first questions 9 to the power 3 by 2, so we can write 3 by 2 is equal to 3 into 1 by 2. So 9 to the power 1 by 2 and 3 separately. We can write 9 as 3 to the power 2. We can write 9 as 3 to the power 2. So 9 to the power 1 by 2 upon 3. Here 9 is equal to 3 का squares and overall 1 by 2 overall 3 cancel of 2 from 2 remaining 3 to the power 3. So this is equal to 27. This is equal to 27. Okay. Now question number second and third and fourth is same as question number 1. Now question number 3. Two to the power 2 by 3 and 2 to the power 1 by 5. Here base are same. So in the multiply form power will be add, and here power to the power. So here we are multiplying this power, and again in this third questions base are same, then in this case power will be subtract, and when power is same and base are different, so in this case multiply by base and power, taking power as a common. Here some rules are present here, so I will write these rules. When x to the power m into x to the power n, in this case power will be at x to the power m plus n. Again x to the power m divided by x to the power n. In this case power will be subtract minus n. Again x to the power m and x to the power n. In this case power will be multiplied. Okay. These rules are using question number 3. Okay. Your all exercise, all your first chapters has been finished. So write down these in your fair copies. Thank you for watching this videos. Please like and subscribe my channels, because if you subscribe then you will get my all online classes videos as continuously on your WhatsApp and your YouTube. Okay. Thank you. Thanks.